To set your phone to vibrate when you insert or remove your S Pen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features and then tap S Pen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu through the R command menu. To do so, remove your S Pen to open up the R command menu. And then tap the setting icon. Scroll down the screen. Tap more S Pen setting. And then tap the gray on off switch next to vibration to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will vibrate when you insert or remove your S Pen. As a note, the vibration intensity when you insert or remove your S Pen depends on how you set the system vibration intensity in your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.